Welcome everyone to the tutorial how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. Yes, I'll go from the beginning, from A to Z, how to do it in a really easy and short way. So first you need to press get started and register yourself an account. Put your first name, last name, email, choose password. Then when you already have your account, when you'll set it up, you go to sign in. You sign in with your details. I'll just sign in with mine right now. Yeah, you can press keep me signed in on this computer. You don't have to. It's always a choice. And now you are in Coinbase. So at this moment, what you want to do, you want to buy your first Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. We'll do Bitcoin today. You press trade. And obviously at this moment, you're almost ready to buy as I haven't added any payment method. So what I will do right now, you need to add payment method. So you press add payment method and you can choose from 4 different payment methods. You can choose Euro bank account, Swift account, UK bank account because I'm based in London, but I will choose the credit debit card as that's the easiest and especially for small amounts. So I'll add that. I'll add my credit card right now. After, press add card when you're done. And after, great, you can buy easily Bitcoin, 40 pounds. And then it says, yeah, 40 pounds, buy Bitcoin. I can put preview buy. And this is 0.004397 of Bitcoin. And the coin fee base, it's 2 pounds, which gives me 38 pounds in Bitcoin. And I press buy now. It's authorizing my cards. Then it says thank you, your payment is processing. And oh, you see, a second later your purchase was successful and your 0043 BTC will be available in your BTC wallet instantly. When I go to portfolio, I see a Bitcoin, which is 0.0043 of Bitcoin. Thanks a lot for watching this really short video. I hope it will be really helpful for you.